Two countries, two natural masterpieces, Switzerland and Norway. Both promise breathtaking landscapes, snow-capped peaks, and unforgettable adventures. But which is the true ultimate nature escape? Let's compare. Switzerland versus Norway. Which is the ultimate nature escape? Globotour. Mountains and landscapes. Switzerland is home to the majestic Swiss Alps, perfect for skiing, hiking, and picture-perfect valleys. Norway, on the other hand, offers dramatic fjords, waterfalls, and rugged coastlines that feel untouched by time. Unique experiences. Switzerland's Glacier Express train and luxury alpine resorts attract travelers year-round. Norway counters with the Northern Lights, midnight sun, and epic fjord cruises. Both deliver once-in-a-lifetime moments, but very different vibes. Cost of travel. Both destinations are pricey, but Switzerland is often ranked as one of the most expensive countries in the world. Norway isn't cheap either, but budget travelers can stretch their money a bit further with smart planning. Outdoor adventures. Switzerland offers world-class skiing, paragliding, and mountain trekking. Norway is a paradise for kayaking, fishing, and exploring fjords. Both are outdoor havens, but your choice depends on whether you love mountains or the sea. Accessibility and travel. Switzerland has one of the most efficient train networks in the world, making it easy to explore. Norway is more spread out. Traveling between fjords and cities often requires longer trips, but the journeys are as beautiful as the destinations. So, who wins? If you want polished luxury, alpine perfection, and world-class infrastructure, Switzerland is your pick. But if you want raw, wild, untouched beauty, Norway might steal your heart. Both are dream destinations. Which would you choose for your dream trip? Switzerland's Alps or Norway's fjords? Drop your choice in the comments and subscribe for more travel battles and bucket list ideas.